Yawning as a deception detector. Suspect someone is covertly observing you. Execute a deliberate, exaggerated yawn. Yawns are incredibly contagious, triggering an involuntary response in those nearby. Watch their reaction closely. If they suddenly yawn, in sync with your orchestrated display, it's an unnerving indication. They've been attentively monitoring you. Test this method. Simulate a deep yawn. Note how quickly they follow suit, unwittingly revealing their covert interest. These techniques delve into the subtle nuances of human behavior, exploiting the innate tendencies of mirroring and subconscious imitation. Use them cautiously to uncover hidden scrutiny in your surroundings. But beware, what you uncover may be more unsettling than you expect.